Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Beats Powerbeats 2 wireless Bluetooth earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earphones not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they are not pairing or syncing with your device, if they keep disconnecting, any issues like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you're going to need to set them up again if you do this because all of the pairing history will be wiped off. But if that's something you want to do, that's the second reason you might want to do this, is if you just want to get a fresh start, like you're just taking these out of the box and setting them up new, we can go ahead and do that. It's real easy to do. First of all, we need to make sure they're connected to power. And once they're connected to power, on one of the earbuds, we're going to come find the power/connect button. And then on here, we're going to find the volume down button. And we're just going to simultaneously hold the volume down and the connect button for about 10 seconds. And after that, you'll see the little LED indicator light on the earphones blink a couple times, indicating that the reset is complete. And you can go ahead and set them up as a new set of earphones.